गैलरी में घुसे कैसे आप बेटे? हाँ, गैलरी में किससे घुसे घुसे आप?
घुसे कौन?
हाँ।
गैलरी में ना घुसे।
ओह,
Hello, good morning. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Audible, sir. Audible.
Right, come back to our discussion. We're discussing about relative velocity, I think. We are doing that tree, boy, man, that one, no?
Yes, sir. That one.
Sir.
After that, man standing, that one only, no, we are doing. Man stand, rain umbrella, one discussion I have done, I think, no? No. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Rain umbrella, one problem we have done, I discussed on, am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
No. Man standing, rain falls vertically, I told, no?
Yes, sir. You completed one.
Okay. Next, the other one is, suppose, for example, how to analyze, man is standing. Man is stationary. And rain is falling. At his back. With vertical. So we have a situation like this. Okay, the rain is, man is stationary. So suppose this fellow is stationary. He is looking like this. So rain is falling from his back. Okay, this is velocity of rain with respect to whom? Man. For man, it is appearing like this. Okay, because he is anyhow stationary only. This is okay. Either it is rain or you can take ground because both are at rest only, no? No man is at rest, no? Agreed or not? So velocity of man.
Yes, sir.
Man with respect to ground is 0. In such situations, what we should do? See, you know that velocity of rain with respect to man is velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. Do you agree with this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now rain with respect to man. So rain with respect to ground plus man with respect to ground. Anyhow, here man with respect to ground is a null vector. Therefore, we can say velocity of rain with respect to ground is same as velocity of rain with respect to man. That means the rain is falling with respect to man also. It is falling at the same angle. Okay. That means now he should hold the umbrella at the same direction. Right?
Yes, sir.
Understood this? So this is the angle. Suppose this is theta. What angle he should hold? This is also pi only, no? Not on this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the face. This is back side. Back. Finish this. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see man starts moving. So suppose this is a man. Now this fellow is moving like this. This is his face now. Now this is rain is falling with respect to ground. Okay. At an angle of. Now what happens? Let us see. Velocity of rain is velocity of rain with respect to ground, man with respect to ground. Rain with respect to ground is vector. This is a vector sum, not ordinary. Using parallelogram laws, we should do. We got this. Rain with respect to man is this only, no? That means this is anyhow VR. Okay. Now to this we have, do you agree with this or not? Rain with respect to man is,
Yes,
do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now man with respect to the ground. We need rain with respect to man now. Okay, okay. So here man is moving like this. Oh, this is given, sorry. This is with respect to ground, man. Now we should draw this. That means this is going like this. This is velocity of rain with respect to ground, for example. Now this is the man. So ultimately, this will be the velocity of rain with respect to man. Do you agree with this? This is velocity of rain with respect to ground. Any doubt is there till here?
Sir.
Now you can see, if you observe this carefully, the more the speed, this is fixed. What is this? Velocity of rain with respect to ground is fixed. If the man's vector, his speed is less, suppose this is this, his speed is small, then this is the, what is this? Velocity of rain with respect to man. Suppose that fellow is moving faster, means his speed is more. Then what will happen? This vector will be longer. Therefore, what will be this? Velocity of rain with respect to man. Do you agree with this or not? Clear?
Yes,
So the more his speed, the more the shift will be. Understood this or not? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, we can say that the velocity of rain with respect to man will be shifting towards the vertical. Agreed or not? Understood this? Various cases I am discussing. Now we'll learn how to analyze problems. Till here, any doubt is there, you can ask. Finished? Entire IIT is only analysis. Please come out of that formula. That is only temporary benefit. You will never get IIT if you mug up founders. Should I turn this?
1 minute. Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Sir,
Tell.
if a cyclist is moving, a cyclist
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
moving,
Hmm.
then wind will have effect on him, sir.
Cyclist is moving, man walking, both are same only, no man. What is the difference? Both are in motion only, no?
Sir, then relative velocity will also be same, no, sir. Relative velocity of wind with respect to cyclist will be same, no, sir.
Relative velocity
of
of
wind with respect to cyclist. The same will be it will be the same only, no, sir. Velocity of wind with respect to ground minus velocity of wind.
dealing with problems, it will be same only. Yes, certainly.
Yes, sir. So in the exam question, he gave that cyclist speed was 10 meter per second and the wind speed of 4 meter per second, sir. He asked their relative speed.
Okay, I'll do one thing. After I can finish this concept, I'll discuss that paper, right? Okay? Whole paper
Okay, sir.
I'll discuss.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Because this chapter is very important. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Next. Suppose the man increases further. What will happen? Yes, the man further. That means this rain is what? Velocity of rain with respect to ground. Now you know that rain with respect to man is nothing but vector sum of rain with respect to ground minus man with respect to ground. So if the man is walking forward like this, then it goes on, this vector will be what? And at one particular speed, this becomes vertical or not? This is rain with respect to man. That means as the speed is increasing, this rain with respect to ground vector will shift like this, no? You're able to catch this? I am discussing the concepts so that you can understand the problems better. Understood this? Don't try to mug up, I'm saying. Now, if the man increases the speed further, then what happens? You can see, then rain appears to be falling from which direction? That means this is the velocity of rain with respect to ground. This is fixed. Okay, you further increase this. The man is walking like this. This is his face. This is, they agree with this? Follow this? Then you can see that, thank you. This is velocity of rain with respect to man. Any doubt is there? Now you can see, though rain is falling like this with vertical, it is making some angle now. Actually, rain is falling like this. Observe this carefully. This is phi. Hello. But for him, it appears as if it is falling from back. Rain is actually, this is the velocity of rain with respect to ground. This is phi. But it appears to be falling in which direction? You can see, for him, the rain appears to fall in this direction. Clear or not? Now, as this person further increases like this vector goes on shifting now. Understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear at least
If
now?
the man moves in the minus direction, the negative direction, it will come backwards, sir.
Man is moving forward, man. Again, you are confusing. Man is moving like this. I'm drawing figure every time. It is opposite. For rain, we should take the negative vector. You can see.
Yes, sir.
Definition. He moves like this, rain moves for him. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, you are topper in MS. If we give the paper, with respect to MS, he may be topper. But we don't want that. With respect to all India children, he should be on topper. That is the reason why I give this LN assignments, conduct all the national level institute exams. Most of the assignments I am giving is collected from those different institutions. So with respect to is different, absoluteness is different. Up to 10th class, you're an absolutely, you're an excellent student because those marks are of yours only, no? But now competition, relatively, how far you are better than others. Understood this? Otherwise, I too don't want to trouble you. I should want to make you happy only. But result will go away, no? Then parents will curse us. All parents have some hopes on the children, no?
Done, sir.
What are they? From all these observations, what did we learn? Always the velocity of rain with respect to ground goes on shifting, no? Velocity of rain with respect to man. The rain appears to the man as if it is being shifted to in a direction opposite to man or not. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this? So remember that if man is walking like this is a man with respect to ground. And suppose this is rain with respect to ground. Then remember that the rain appears to shift. This will be like this only. This we cannot change. As the man is going on increasing his speed, then it appears to go like this. This is velocity of rain with respect to man. Understood the story? As this is fixed, always this is fixed. You cannot change. This is variable. So therefore, this changes. Understood this? Is it clear or not? Now it is clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now onward, the curriculum will be tough only. Man, if you don't catch first time, ask, I'll repeat any number of times. But don't ask me to make things easy. You won't get, you want IIT means this is the process. At least for the first 4 or 5 months, after we finish around 60% syllabus, you'll understand. Now you are feeling vector easy only, no? You need to be committed
sir.
to first. First time you feel
Yes,
difficult,
sir.
little bit. Because you're going on using, like this concept will be going on using, that will be easy. Like first when you join nursery, ABCD is difficult. Now it is easy, no? You'll play with them. Same way. Only thing is you should have patience. Shall I go ahead? Now, completed now?
Yes, sir.
Rain is falling vertically. See, this means it is with respect, nothing is mentioned, it is understood with respect to ground. Should be held
Sir. 37 degrees. Sir. 37 degrees.
Simple. The rain is falling vertically. This is with respect to ground only. Nothing is mentioned. It is with respect to ground only. Man is moving in this direction. This is velocity of man with respect to ground. Now we need this. So ultimately, rain appears to fall like this. No? This is velocity of rain with respect to man. So with the vertical means this is theta. What is tan theta means opposite. This is opposite 6 by 10. 3 by 5. Correct, no? It's 35 is not 35, no, man. 37 is not coming, no? Sin 37 is 3 by
Yes, sir.
5.
Yes,
Tan.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And no sugar. Sir.
Shall I turn this? Clear?
1 minute, sir.
No, speak out fast and don't hesitate. Over.
Yes, sir.
Now, a man moving with 5 meters per second. See, for him, it is man is appearing to fall like this. See, as we know that this is the velocity of man with respect to ground. So the rain should shift like this now. Velocity vector of rain shifts in which direction? Do you agree with this or not? That's what we learned now. That means the actual rain vector is this. Now this is what? This is vector diagram. Now it is clear because he said it falls vertically. This is 10 meters per second. Man is moving at 5 meters per second. Now speed, you know this. Magnitude of that. You can take 10 square plus 5 square. Root 125 meters per second. I think this is. And if you want this some alpha or anything you can take. Tan alpha 5 by 10. Okay, with the vertical now. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now second time I think I try to make you more comfortable without compromising the syllabus. Nothing, no secret of success, man. People publish photos he got, that fellow got and all. He got because of his hard work.
Sir,
Tell
sir. Sir,
man.
I'm not understanding this right side. Velocity vector of rain shift opposite to the direction of motion.
That is what we have done now. All the previous diagram you can see velocity of rain is this only. If you look at the previous cases I told now, as you go ahead it is shifting. You're adding this now.
Yes, sir.
Then only you'll get this now. That's
Yes,
what
sir,
velocity of rain shift. Okay. VRM. If you want, you can take. It goes on shifting now. Agreed?
VRG, sir.
Yes, sir.
VRG. VRG goes on shifting towards this. In previous, all that explanation we have seen that all vector diagram. The more he increases speed, more the shift now. This is more longer this vector, more the shift. Follow this? No, a man. Pardon? You have any doubt?
No, sir.
Please turn the page for a second.
Pardon? No audio problem. Okay, here. What I understood from your voice is this.
Yes.
You just give me time for 5-6 months. After that, automatically you'll do physics yourself. You enjoy. A man standing. The problem is schooling problem. All this. You mugged up that chemistry in school. Mathematics you practiced. Physics no numericals, no. A man standing on road observes rain is falling vertically. At 10√3 meter per second. Suddenly wind starts to blow. From east to west. With now he finds rain is falling at combination of wind and rain. Rain is falling with 20 meter per second at 30 degrees with vertical. Understood the question? Now wind is flowing, rain is also falling. Find velocity of man so that rain appears to fall vertically. Next. On the other side. Understood the question?
Sir.
Now, if you observe this carefully, he is asking only rain, a man standing there, observe rain is falling vertically. Let us assume that we don't know, find the velocity of man is saying, no? So let us assume that velocity of man with respect to ground, we don't know what it is, but he'll move in horizontal direction, xi. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell what is the velocity of rain with respect to ground?
J cap minus
Hmm? Man is
10 √3.
that is man is at rest on man standing. Okay.
yes sir.
Plus remember another thing will affect. What is that?
Wind.
Wind.
Wind. You can see that I am taking that as east, west, north, south. This I have taken as I cap. Okay, this as J cap. Now wind loss. What is the direction of wind is going?
East to west.
From east to west. East to west means this side.
Minus
So
I
what
cap.
is that? 10 minus I cap. Rain will be there always with wind, and wind will also cooperate with that, no? Clear?
Yes sir. Yes sir, clear.
Now find velocity of rain with respect to man. Velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. Rain is minus J minus Xi. 10 plus X. Do you agree with this?
Yes sir.
Now, first one, what he wants for vertical fall, he says, first one he says, rain appears, VRM must be in which direction?
Falling vertically.
That means,
Right
what he should have? Must be 0, no? 10 plus X is 0, no? That means X is how much? Minus 10, no? So what is the velocity of man with respect to ground? Minus 10I. That means 10 meter per second westward.
Sir, how you are saying that velocity of rain with respect to man must be falling vertically?
He gave this. First question is that one, no? Given. Read that question, man. In question A. He gave now here.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes sir.
1 minute, sir.
Shall I return this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now read the second part of the question. Second part of the question, what he says, on the other side, actually what is the initial side we should know now? What is the initial side means velocity of rain with respect to ground, we cannot change. What is that? Plus, so 10 minus I is this side. Then this is what? 10 root 3 minus j. So this is the actual direction, velocity of rain with respect to ground. Okay. Now suppose this is theta. This is theta only, no? What is tan theta mean? Tell.
1 by
So what is theta? 30 degrees. Do you agree with this? Now on the other side means that fellow now wants what actually? He wants the rain to fall like this. Okay. At the same direction at 30 only, because this is 30, no? He gave that, no? 30 degrees. Do you agree with this or not? He wants this rain has to fall like this. If this is the case, what should be the speed of the man is asking. Understood this? Clear or not? Followed?
Yes, sir. Follow.
Note on this. Now what is VRM we can tell. See, we should have in this direction, no? That means which component is changing? This component is same now, only this is changing now. You're able to follow what I'm saying? So this should be the velocity of man is walking like this, no? Hello? Shall I turn this? See, hello.
Yes, sir.
Now if you look at this is common for both triangles, no?
Yes, sir.
Only this is reversing the direction, because this is 30 means this is also 30. Both are equal only. That means this must be same as this, no?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
agree with this or not? That
Sir.
means
Yes, sir.
this should be what? 10I, no? Obviously. And this is
Yes, sir.
same. So velocity of the rain should be 10I plus. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt?
No, sir.
Now you can see what is VRM. This is 10I 10 root 3 minus j. Okay. Rain with respect to ground is this. Man with respect to this, we need this. Find out velocity of man with respect to ground, you will get. That is what he is asking now. See how much you are getting.
20I
20 minus I, yeah.
minus
Yeah.
minus I.
That means 20 meters per second west. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Like that, if you go on sitting and analyzing, you'll have excellent subject to develop. only vector addition, man, nothing else. Shall I turn the page?
1 minute.
Obviously, no, this man is running in this direction. This should be velocity of man. So rain will shift from here to here, no? You can see. So that's why man is running in which direction? West. Follow this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Learn, sir.
The theta is also 30 degrees right there.
30 only.
In the question itself, he gave no, sir.
That is 30, this is 30. That's why these are congruent triangles. So if this side, these are common, so this will be 10i. The question you have to understood this, from there only got this, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose this is not 30, some 60 has given, then you cannot take this value yet again, find out that. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Huh? We'll take another problem. A man standing he finds, you're understanding what I'm writing, that you're able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
No, my handwriting, you're able to, is it legible? I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
Vertically. Okay, find the speed of raindrops with respect to understood this?
Yes, sir.
Man is at rest. Okay, so this is the man. He is at rest. For him, it is falling like this. So this is velocity of rain with respect to man. Now you can see velocity of rain with respect to man is same thing as here anyhow man is at rest now. So this is also 0. So it comes like this. He says that 30 degrees rain is falling. Now he throws the umbrella and starts moving. You can see that now this man is moving like this. Can you tell the actual velocity? This is nothing but velocity of rain with respect to ground only, no, actually. Now this is nothing but km. In which direction that rain will shift? This is the velocity of rain with respect to ground. They are falling at 30 degrees. Now when the person is moving, he finds it vertically. That means man will be, so it appears to fall vertically. It will shift now, as I told you. See, he appears shifted in this direction or not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we can find from this. This is 10. Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
So this is 30 means this is 30 now. So what is sine 30 man? So magnitude you'll get this now. 20 kmph. Do you agree with this? Clear?
Sir.
Yes.
Now he's asking, what you need now? So speed of rain with respect to ground is nothing but ground. That is only road, no? How much you got? 20 kmph. Now we need with respect to the moving man, no? No, this is 20 now. Can you write in vector form? Is it not? This is a vector form or not?
Yes, sir.
Set that value here. Rain with respect to ground is 20 sine 30i plus 20 cos. Huh? This one you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Correct, minus చేయాలి, no?
Yes,
This
sir.
has,
Minus J.
correct, no? This plus this is this vector, no?
Yes, sir.
This vector,
Minus J is correct, sir. But minus I also should come.
no,
sir.
no, man, you resolve a vector, man. Please resolve a vector. This is the resolution of a vector. What is this direction? Understood
Yes, sir.
this?
Now understood, sir.
Man with respect to ground is 10I. Simplify this. Actually, this is easy only. You are making it difficult by misunderstanding. How much you are getting? Check up.
10 root 3 minus j.
This will get cancelled now, 1 by 2.
Yes,
You
sir.
will get 10 root 3
Minus j.
Understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we can do that directly from triangle, sir.
No, you can do it. Why directly?
Yes,
Man,
sir.
rain is falling.
30.
No, man, this is, I can do directly from this also. What we need? Cos 30, you can get it.
Cos
No, I'm saying that cos 30 if you take, you'll get it. The other method is also there. You can cancel the equate this. No, this is the one vector, this is the other vector. These are nullified, rain falls vertically.
Yes,
That
sir.
way also you can see. Understood this? Now suppose
Understood,
it's not a right angle, you have to follow this one, you know. Now it is a right angle, you're able to do. If it is not a right angle,
Yes, sir.
is it possible? So as a teacher, I should tell the general methods applicable for any situation. No? Shall I turn this? Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is about rain umbrella problems. Okay. Now the next one is distance of closest approach. Okay, that we have to find. Suppose this is one object, car or anything. And another object is this. We know that suppose this is moving, he will give in the question accordingly you have to change. If the velocity of, say this is block B. This is the velocity of block A. Okay, so initially some separation is given. The initial situation. Suppose you want to find the closest distance. First thing is make one body with rest to be at rest. That means what I'll do, I'll find velocity of A with respect to B. What does this imply? Velocity of A as observed by whom? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
That is the meaning, no? So now you know that VA okay, so that means now velocity of B is at rest. Now A will be moving in with this velocity. What is the velocity of A then? That is the meaning of relative velocity, no? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
But remember, this is not VAB, this is VA. Look at the vector diagram. That's what mistake we do is this. This is VA. Now minus VB this side now vector sum you have to take. So this should be the vector sum of this is minus VB now. So this will be what? Velocity of A plus minus VB. This is only VAB. Do you agree with this? Usually you will take this as VAB, it's not VAB. This is a condition. Do you agree with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
closest distance means it's nothing but drop one perpendicular. So this D is the closest distance. Understood this? Clear enough?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
you can see what is the initial separation mean. This you know, no? Initial separation is this will now from here to here. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
No, no. Now suppose this is some beta. Suppose I am saying what is sine beta man? D by x. So do you agree with this? What is it D? It is also equal to, see, it's a ratio. Sine beta can ask in terms of velocities we can take now. What is the sine beta? In terms of velocities we need now. Note on this. Finish with this. Now see, this is beta. What is this angle man? 90
90 minus beta.
Okay. So what is cos 90 minus beta? VA magnitude wise by VAB, no? By what is this? Do you agree with this man? This implies sin beta, no? This is VA, no? This is nothing but mod VA minus VB, no? Now these are perpendicular only, no? So what I should take here? VA square plus VB square only, no? What is mod of this? Hello?
Sir.
What is the mod of?
Under root of VA square plus VB square.
Pardon?
Under root of VA square plus VB square.
Correct, no? This is. Follow this?
Yes, sir.
That means now you got, therefore, what is dx into, you need all given parameters, no? VA square plus VB square. Any doubt is there till here?
No, sir.
I should listen on.
Understood, sir.
Right. We'll continue. Any doubts are there in today's class? You can ask. Right. Then we'll continue in the next class. Okay. See, I'm doing motion under gravity graph for AIMS. If you want, you can join that evening. 4 o'clock to 4 o'clock till 4 you have RSR class, no?
Yes, sir.
3
Yes, sir.
till 4 or 3 yeah?
3 to 4, sir.
Okay, you can join by 4. I'll start the class around 3:45 like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you are interested, you join. Rest it will be revision, no? And we'll continue relative velocity.
Details,
Pardon? Hello?
meeting details of that class.
I'll send post it, man. If you're interested, you join. Already we completed. It'll be like revision, more knowledge you'll get. That's all. This I'll continue
Thank you,
fully.
sir.
Don't hesitate and ask anything, okay? And develop in life, get a IIT seat, get out, okay? Right then,
Okay,
take care.
sir.
Have a nice
Yes,
day.
sir.
Have
Thank
a
you,
nice
sir.
day. Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, sir.
Sir,
The place is a dashboard is spawning.
Pardon?
sir,
Sir,
Tell.
one boy was calling you.
One,
One boy was calling you, sir.
sir,
who is calling? I'm not getting any call.
Oh, sir,
Sir.
he's speaking, sir.
Tell man.
sir, can you please explain this topic again in the next class?
Why man? I started yesterday, no? I didn't get
This
you,
is
man.
last.
This class means yesterday's class also?
No. This last topic.
No, man. I started, I'm under motion under gravity in the evening class. You're saying that class only, no?
Oh, sir, he's asking about this distance of closest approach.
Again, once again, okay.
Yes, sir, yes.
Tomorrow again I'll explain the thing with problems. Concept I discussed, no? Next class
Yes.
I'll again explain with problems. I did not do problems, no? Now rain umbrella understood, no?
Yes, sir.
Like that closest distance. After that I'll discuss riverboat problems. After that wind aeroplane problems. Wait, I'll make you perfect. Don't worry. Understood this? Next Sunday also you write an exam on this Sunday. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Right.
Thank
Don't
you.
worry. Don't worry. Be brave. I am here. I'll take care. Bye.
Thank you.
Right. Bye.